Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of sophistication and elegance with some incredible luxury living room design ideas. Whether you're planning to revamp your space or simply dreaming of a lavish upgrade, this video is packed with inspiration to create a living room that radiates luxury. Let's get started. Every luxurious living room needs a standout element, a statement piece that commands attention. This could be an eye-catching chandelier, a designer sofa, or a stunning piece of art. When it comes to luxury, it's all about the materials. Opt for high-quality fabrics, marble, hardwood, and metals like brass or gold to give your space that premium feel. Lighting is one of the most critical aspects of luxury design. Layer different types of lighting, ambient, accent, and task, to create depth and mood in your space. Luxury interiors often feature a neutral base. Think whites, grays, and beige, with occasional pops of rich color like deep blue, emerald green, or gold for added elegance. Seating is the heart of a living room. Choose plush, oversized sofas and chairs with clean lines, and consider adding accent pieces like a chaise lounge or ottoman for a touch of sophistication. Accessories can make or break a luxurious living room. Use decorative trays, elegant vases, and coffee table books to add layers of detail. A truly luxurious space feels personal. Incorporate elements that reflect your style, like custom furniture, bespoke artwork, or personal mementos. A focal point ties the room together, whether it's a grand fireplace, an oversized artwork, or a designer coffee table. Make sure it anchors the space. And there you have it, everything you need to design the luxurious living room of your dreams. Which idea will you be trying out? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design inspiration. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.